Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video how to create a blog on blog support and 4 easy steps and make money. Written in a group blogger update on August 8, 2021. More and more people now looking for ways to make money. These objects the most people funding easy make money online. Target blogger blogger is really best to make money. I will be making discovery income for blogging for over 10 years now, and can I see any with hard work can make money blogging. If you are among them who want to make money the most out there, free text blogging is great way to not only make money but is boost your online influence. So are looking ways to create a free blogging discovery guide. It's for you. If you are looking for ways to start a free blogging, I highly recommend to consider using blogging platforms. It's not only easy setup, but you can start making money for AdSense as well. Here on stop guides for people create free blog on blog support and start marketing money from AdSense. Before diving into the detail, we will first answer few important questions. Tablet of content. Few basic questions most people have before creating a blog on blog support. How to start a free blog on blog support program. Step 1. Sign in blog support blogger.com. Step 2. Enter your name your blog. Step 3. Start create a new blog post. Step 4. Google AdSense. What you offer creating blog on blog support. Start creating SEO friendly content. Focus on getting AdSense approval. Finding out ways to increase your AdSense earning. 5 is national SEO tip for blog support blogger. FAQ about creating a blog support blogger. Finally, target on start a free blog on blog support program. Few basic questions most people have before creating a blog support. Can I use AdSense on blog support blog on Coursera make money blog support blog? Every target blogger platform allow you can create blog at same time. Also you have your blog target your Google AdSense. Do I have any start blog support blog? Nothing, you don't have pay. When to start blog support you can need enter your email address, sign up, start creating blogger.com. It's simply how can I make blog looking upward this the there are so many blog template available blog support blog you can most them free. I need few back and wait premium blog template for beginner. I don't no need to buy anything premium, just to go with a free blog template is your will only save money but you can fund blocking them every on free blog template blog support how to get more explore from my blog support blog increase your blog export a really improvement make money a break niche and start your engine with on social media hashtag like Twitter and Facebook make money so share these stuff frequent with your follow and folks increase social media following will increase blog export how to start a free blog on blog support platform how to start a free blog on creating a blog using blogger.com really easy. I give a few easy introduction and follow them accordingly. Step 1 sign up blogger.com. First of all, go to blog.com homepage and sign up. Quick note create Gmail account if you don't have yet. Once you are logged into your Google account, you will now new blog button on the left side. Click on the create a new blog on Blogger. Step 2 enter your name blog. Type of any title that's your brand name, your blog, that title box, and just interest my short domain address. A real tech you will see yellow box make sure I come up with unique name and start template option provide same box you can choosing many more template and customize your blog later. Example title address template and that you have successful create blog on blog support in under 2 minutes. Congrats to now will target next step. Step 3 create a blog post. Click the button new post on left side. Create a new blog post. Enter your title. Start content page. Example my blog new post. Step 4 Google AdSense. When you are starting get it amount version search engine blog you can apply for AdSense to start making money to hit apply AdSense under unique hour playing list 300 to 400 unique version singly hourless. It's really hurts getting your account approval. Quick note you can anything changing your blog template by checking on the button template or left side on blog your dashboard. What you are after creating new blog support start create SEO friendly content. If you have current more income addition using blog support you have bragging more was stress of search engine the most engine traffic gets more click you are will generate per income make your from AdSense Unfortunately, increased search traffic to your blog or website is not easy, especially after you are you have learned everything on related SEO and start implement the effect SEO to boost your traffic, organize traffic. The only recommend I can give to any blog that is focus create content that SEO finally. Here are new simply tips to write SEO friendly blog posts that help bring more traffic to blog support blog for the internal link. When you are write a new post, link provide post this with such visible blog gets non-written blog 70 creator and your blog post title. I know I will not show up to such results, so make sure short heading always focus optimization later search engine do not have some keywords again later keywords shifting and your blog migrate by do not choose first improve blog it will show down below speed Google gives find and out increase your ads and earning 5 SEO blog support I give provide top on page SEO finding keyword before writing anything 5 optimization image for search engine subscribe my channel for latest mission updates like video thanks for watching coming for the next video